Assalamu alaikum everyone, myself Mohammed Faisal Beg and welcome again. So as selection of best universities, the necessity of development of your career and to groom and prepare yourself for future hardships. So right selection is really important. So for that reason in this video I am going to share some important details about the admission in various sort of universities across all over Pakistan. And if you want me to have a detailed discussion about a particular university, then mention the name of that university in the comment box. I will explain all the detail of courses offered of that university. So I will categorize universities according to various sort of categories. So I will discuss these categories one by one. So first of all, let's discuss engineering category. In engineering category we can say that we have multiple sort of options, like if you can't able to afford university fees, then UET or University of Engineering and Technology would be the first choice of all the students, or you can choose NET etc. And if you can afford the fees, then NUST, JK, PIAS, IST, AIR or University of Lahore would be the best choices for all the students. And these universities are some of these universities are private universities and some of them are public universities. So we can differentiate government universities and public universities, as government universities are under the command of government, but for public sector we can say that government has made some sort of organization and they are running the institution. So for electrical engineering, EME and PIAS would be the first priority for all the students, and in a similar way IST or Air University will consider as best choices for aerospace engineering. Now let's discuss CSR IT category. We have different sort of best universities for CSR IT like ComSets, FAST, Balochistan University of Information Technology and Management Sciences, Quetta. And if we compare to universities like FAST or ComSets, then for CSR IT, then I would say that FAST is better than ComSets in terms of teaching quality, but ComSets is better than FAST in terms of researches. So it's totally up to you. You can choose anyone according to your desire. Now let's discuss business category. For business education, I would like to recommend 5 universities. Like number 1 is LUMS, also known as Lahore University of Management Sciences, Lahore. Then number 2 is IBA or Institute of Business Administration, Karachi. Then number 3, Iqra University, Karachi. Then number 4, National College of Business Administration and Economics, Lahore. And then number 5, Lahore School of Economics, Lahore, or LSE. Now let's discuss art and design category. For art and design category, following universities would be the best, and these are: number 1 is National College of Art, Lahore, and number 2 is Indus Valley School of Art and Architecture, Karachi. Now last but not the least, agriculture category. For agriculture category, following universities will be going to be the best for your career building, and these are University of Agriculture, Faisalabad, number 1, and then number 2 is Peer Meher Ali Shah Arid Agriculture University, Rawalpindi. Then number 3 is University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Lahore. The number 4 is KPK Agricultural University, Peshawar. And these are the universities that you can choose for agriculture category. So I hope you enjoy the video, and now you will be able to take a decision about admission in your desired university. If yes, then do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get more informative videos. Thank you so much for supporting me.